So remember in the last video, we talked about how you can use just your smart switch and your phone to do some kind of smart automation. So today, we're going to be building up on that particular setup and introducing what we call a contact sensor. So this is called a contact sensor, and sometimes it's been called a window sensor, door sensor, and all of it. So it's very physically applicable in your room, cupboard, enclosed place. Yeah. So today we're going to be using it for our door. Yeah, for this room to actually sense our presence in the room. So before leaving, I will actually let my Google Assistant know that I'm leaving the house. So when coming back, the contact sensor will set up the environment. Immediately I open the door, the contact sensor will set up the environment for me, and let's see how it goes. And not talking too much. Let's do the automation and see how it goes. So, let's go. All right, so I'm going to be mounting it here. So one side will be here, the other one will be here. So it has two sides, the bigger part and the smaller part. So it's a contact sensor for your reason. So this one will be at the smaller part will be on the door, while the bigger part will be on the frame. So I'm going to mounting this bigger part on the frame and this smaller one on the door. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And let's do that and stop talking. Okay, as you can see, I've already placed the bigger one on this part of the frame. I'm going to be putting this smaller one close to it. So two of them is connected together now. So if I open my door now, so if I open this door, okay, it's open now. So when I close it, now you are seeing the blinking light. That means it has already detected that, okay, there's a contact. So they are working perfectly. So the next thing we are going to do now is to actually do the setup with our phone and the automation to be precise. All right, now that our automation is done, so what we're going to do now is to actually test it out. We are done setting up everything on our phone. So what we're going to do now is to test it out. And before leaving, I have to inform my Google Assistant that I'm leaving the house. By so doing, it will turn off all the lights and set up the environment for me. So I have to tell my Google Assistant that I'm leaving. The light will turn off. So it's off. This is a contact sensor, remember? So I'm saying, all right, so now when I come inside, see the light will turn on by itself. As you can see, just the low light is on. I set it in such a way that to make the environment more cozy, more relaxed when I'm coming back from work and stuff like that. So I want the environment to be more cozy. That's the reason why I set it to have a low light to make the environment relaxed. You understand? So you can decide to turn on the other lights afterwards. So for me right now, I'm going to be turning on the profile light alone so that you can see my face clearly. So I'm going to be using my Google Voice Assistant. Hey Google, turn on profile light.
All right, turning on the profile light.
Now you see we were able to achieve all this using our contact sensor. Use it over there. So you can even go ahead and do some funny stuff, which I think is not advisable. Some persons will want to like do it such a way that anytime they open the door, the light will turn on. When they close it, the light will turn off. That is applicable for a storeroom or a place where people don't stay. So the best practice is the one I just demonstrate so that when you're coming from a very far distance, when you come in, the light will only turn on when you are coming from a very far distance. But when you're already present in the environment, even if you turn it, even if you open it and lock it, the scene will still remain the same.